Welcome to this week's Hager Hangout. Today, we've got something fun. I'm sure you all seen one of these at rummage sales or around the office, and people are just tossing them left, right, and center. Well, I'm going to show you a use for it. Okay? So I'm in the kitchen right now, and what I'm going to do is take the lid off. So I went ahead and removed the bottom by removing this 4 screws. I've lifted it up. There's the lid. This is what the inside looks like. Really simple, right? It's just a few wires where it connects, and then here's your switches. It doesn't get any simpler than that. Remove my old one. I'm gonna have a little bit of a lip. Those screws have something to bite. Oopsie. Give yourself a spacer so you don't drill inside whatever surface. That the top is installed. Now we install the bottom. Easy peasy. Why aren't you using the drill to get the screws in? Well, since these are a little fragile, I don't want to strip it or damage it, so I'm just going to keep with a manual screwdriver. I'm going to put it back up by aligning it. Okay, now put my appliances back on. A deep fryer. Run the cord down. Now instead of me plugging it into the wall, I'm going to plug it directly into this. So, then how do I know which one goes what? I use my label maker, boom, to label what I knew I was going to plug in. All of these work. Although a couple of these are very dim since this is old. Let's see if we can see it a little better in the dark. But I can turn off the master, which is everything, or I can say I just want the pizzazz. So that would be, I just turn the right one on and then the pizzazz turns on, which that is convenient for when I am done. When I'm done with the pizzazz, instead of unplugging it and burning myself, I just hit the pizzazz off, and then I'm good to go. So, I'm going to take these labels, I'm going to cut them, then I'm going to place them on. This one says fryer. I know the fryer, and if you don't remember, what you do is you follow the cord, boom, label. Now I turn it off, so it's confirmed the fryer is good to go. So as you can see here, if I want the stove, I have access to the stove now. See, power is on. If I want the freezer, I can flip the freezer on, or the popcorn maker, fryer, pizzazz. Or if I want a bunch of things running at once and I want the master off, I flip the master and there's no power going to anything. And that is my tip and trick to cleaning up the kitchen and making it a lot easier for you to not be annoyed with things that you don't want on being on. Most common one might be your coffee maker, since a coffee maker makes a lot of expends a lot of electricity. Still have a spare outlet to charge, or for me to power whatever I want, such as a blender or a mixer or something of that sort. Thank you for watching HAGER'S Hangout, and have a nice day. Bye.